Go.
Oh, yeah.
Marilyn, Bianca, Monica, playing on Bianca's B-Day party. Any words?
Wisdom. Oh, wow.
Hi.
There you have it. Her saying
Everyone.
hi.
Hello.
You guys are lump.
What's up? I don't know.
You guys are uninteresting.
I just picked a weird song. I picked a really old song.
Oh, our show, Zac Efron, is fugly.
Fugly.
Yeah.
Don't say that about him. He's hot.
There, you have someone that agrees with you. Isn't he gay?
He doesn't, huh?
Jessica, put the camera on you and tell me the truth. Is he a lesbian?
My well,
Opinion?
yeah, opinion doesn't matter. He's non-cute and non-ugly. He's non-ugly, non-cute.
Okay. Nice speech, Jessica.
I know. I have. I've been watching someone.
You've been watching me do
Yeah.
my speeches.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, there. You.